Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by quantifying use. State annual kilometers and typical city versus highway split. Then compare upfront price and running costs, fuel, servicing, insurance, and tax, and factor in depreciation for 5 years. Once done, check emissions rules and regional diesel availability so you avoid surprises. Make sure to record towing, payload, and any planned long trips. These needs drive whether diesel's torque or petrol's refinement fits best. Start with these concrete numbers before moving on. Now analyze how each engine behaves in practice. Measure torque and power curves and translate them into overtaking, towing, and highway cruising performance. Diesel often has more low-end torque. Petrol usually revs cleaner. Once done, compare fuel economy numbers against your recorded kilometers and calculate annual fuel spend. Also weigh maintenance frequency, diesel filters, DPF concerns, and potential injectors versus petrol spark plugs and simpler catalysts. Make sure to include NVH, cold start, and city stop-start losses when projecting ownership costs. Complete the comparison by summing total cost of ownership over 3-5 years. Include fuel, servicing, taxes, and likely resale value. Then align your non-financial priorities. Do you prefer diesel torque and long-range efficiency or petrol smoothness and simpler emissions? Once decided, confirm with a test drive, check full service history, and get a pre-purchase inspection. If something goes wrong, like high DPF region frequency, troubleshoot by reviewing driving patterns and consult a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.